Hello and welcome to WAPS TV, TV to die for from Will and Probate Services. My name's Nick Ash and today we're going to be talking about making your own will. A question I'm often asked is, can I make my own will? And the short answer is yes, you can. The real answer is, why would you? Research by the Legal Services Board Consumer Panel found that 97% of professionally drawn wills went through probate without a hitch. The figure for homemade wills was nearer 50%. So if you make your own will, statistically half the time it's not going to do what you set out for it to do in the first place. Making a will is a relatively cheap and easy process and it'll only take about an hour of your time. But if you really want to make your own will, go ahead. What you've got to do is you've got to make sure you revoke your previous wills. You've got to make sure you appoint your executors, your trustees, your guardians. Dispose of all your things. One of the most common problems with homemade wills is people just assume the only thing they own is their house. And they forget their bank accounts and their furniture and their clothes and their shoes and their car. And they just give away their house and their will, making sure that everything else passes according to the laws of intestacy. But if you're confident you can give everything away and it'll go to the right people and you sign it and you attest it in the right way with 2 witnesses, then go ahead, make your own will. But really what you should do is give us a call, ask for some professional advice and do the sensible thing. Have your will professionally drawn up. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you want to find out more or contact us, you can get in touch via our website. Of course, you can follow us across all the normal social media platforms as well, across Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. Thanks again. Bye now.